Supreme Court heard oral arguments today about whether to keep or eliminate a 15-week abortion ban that was passed in 2022. Planned Parenthood and others sparred with the state about that today. News Channel 8's Lenny Supal is following that legal challenge for us. She joins us in Tampa. And Lenny, this decision, now that they've heard the arguments, could come at any time, really.
Yeah, it could be weeks, though, Keith, before we see the justices issue a ruling. And even though this case is centered around the 15-week abortion ban, it has wide-sweeping implications because it could clear the way for a more restrictive ban to take effect. Tonight, the fate of abortion rights in Florida tied up with technicalities of the past, and if the current 15-week abortion ban violates a privacy provision in the Florida Constitution.
HB 5's abortion ban has been in effect now for more than a year, violating fundamental rights.
Friday, the Florida Supreme Court heard arguments in Tallahassee in the ongoing lawsuit filed by the ACLU on behalf of Planned Parenthood and other providers.
For 4 decades, Florida's Constitution has provided strong, independent protections for the fundamental privacy right to decide for oneself, without government interference, whether to continue a pregnancy or have an abortion.
But attorneys with the state disagree, saying the privacy clause adopted more than 40 years ago covers informational privacy, not abortions.
Contextually, the only exception that is expressly enumerated in the privacy clause is for public records. The privacy clause was explained and sold to the people solely in informational privacy terms.
This year, state lawmakers passed a more restrictive 6-week abortion ban that Abby Martinez, co-founder of Abundant Life, agrees with.
I'm pro-life because I believe that every single baby is a beautiful soul that deserves a chance.
But providers standing firm in their position as the legal battle for abortion rights wears on.
No matter what, we will continue to fight for people's rights to access the health care they need.
So the only way the 6-week abortion ban will take effect is if justices uphold the current 15-week abortion ban that's in place. Keith?
And again, as you pointed out, it's too soon to know whether the decision will be coming down soon or later, but there is some indication about what the ruling could look like.
Yeah. Of the 7 state justices that we see, 5 of them were appointed by Governor Ron DeSantis, and let's not forget he did sign the 15-week and the 6-week abortion bans into law.
Lenny Supal reporting live in Tampa for us. Thank you.
Meanwhile, the Justice Department is asking the U.S. Supreme Court to support